Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys already know, the video of today is all about the earbuds, which looks like nothing earbuds. Whoa, there we go. So as you can see guys, I don't want it to get reflective on my lightning, but you can see this is called the Vanguard earbuds. The transparency, just like nothing earbuds. So I can say nowadays there are a lot of ripoff, but this, is it a really good ripoff, or is it just almost there? So we're gonna just unbox this bad boy and check it out, what's goody on its ingredient, and we test out the sound capability, and we see what's good on this kind of earbud. So let's get started. So guys, there we have it. This is our bad boy. As you can see, Vanguard earbuds, and they look like nothing earbuds, to be honest, and we're gonna just unbox it right now and check out what's goody about these earbuds, because they captured me through the first time I'm seeing them, and I was like, damn, I really need these earbuds just to see them and explore throughout them and the build quality. So it's a really good packaging, I can say. And we are having the paper wax. First thing first, you greet it with the paper wax in here, which is quite interesting. So this one, it's a USB-C, which it's really interesting. This one guys, it's our bad boy. So yeah, looks really cool. I can say the build quality not bad at all. And at the back, this is how it looks like. Really interesting. The transparency, I can see there. And another kind of stuff for charging it, it's just somewhere here. You can press this button, showcase you the juice, I guess. And it's quite epic, I can say. It's a good buds. Wekome and Vanguard. It's called the Wekome Vanguard, I guess so, because there's a Wekome somewhere there, and it has this kind of stuff. You can just hold it and give it some good and amazing kind of bass throughout just looking at it. Don't say I'm just giving it some, you know what I mean, but it's really kind of interesting, to be honest. So this is how it looks like, and this is really cool. Looks like nothing earbuds completely. Like, let's be honest, even the finishing, the touches, even the text, enjoy anytime, it says, looks like nothing earbuds. So we're gonna test them and experience what's goody about these bad boys and see the sound capability and functionality, and yeah, we can get into conclusion. My Pixel here with me, so I guess we're gonna wear them first to test them and hear them how it picks. So the design, it seems to be quite not bad, and they don't give you the extra buds, or am I tripping? I didn't see them on the box. And yeah, we're gonna check them on the box if they give you some extra tips, or am I missing something. So by the way, it's quite interesting. They fit well, can't complain on that. They actually, you can see guys, they actually fit really well, quite not bad. So this is a sound testing, guys. Really interesting, quite not bad. You can hear a little bit of bass kicking. Yeah. Let's talk about the specification of the Wekome earbuds. Well, it has a Pioneer transparent Bluetooth headphones. Well, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.1. It has a battery capacity of 200 mAh of battery and earphone 30 mAh. On the drive element, it has 13mm. It has a plug type of Type-C, and the color is white. Battery life can sustain for 5 hours, which is quite not bad. Talking about the material wise, it has a durable plastic material. Well, it's built in with a low latency, which you can even game throughout these bad boys, and they can give you a nice experience throughout gaming. It has a 13mm driver hi-fi music, which you get some extraordinary superior audio quality throughout 13mm driver hi-fi music. This is the Vanguard or Wekome earbuds, which they're transparency. They have an amazing kind of specs and they're really good, but they have the downside, which I don't know why this company never provided the tips of the earbuds to interchange and that kind of stuff. They're really cool, to be honest, for the how they look like transparency. They catch the eye like a nothing earbud completely. You can't resist on that. And to be honest, the build form factor of the case, not that much 100% dope, but it's quite not bad, so it's keeping up, I can say. And it's really interesting. It captured my attention, and I was saying like, nothing earphones, they have a competition in here throughout the design, but they give you some budget and amazing kind of flows throughout what it produces in sound, because it's a little bit intense of bass, and you can just try to play around with the EQ5 app. If you don't know about it, you can check out my top Android apps. If you don't see it, well, it's called the EQ5 application. You can download it on Play Store, and it has total control of your equalizer. But it's a really nice and amazing kind of earbud, to be honest. I love it. It's dope. Yeah, I can't complain. So yeah, it's really interesting. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this Wekome Vanguard earbuds transparency. They're really amazing. I can't not say anything throughout, like rating it, but come on, rating it, I'm gonna score it from the score of 10 to 0. I'm gonna give this bad boy around 8. And form factor wise, it's dope. You can't resist it. If you cannot buy the nothing earbuds, well, this one, they're always there. But nothing earbuds have the CMF earbuds too. You can check them out soon. I'll drop a video about them, and I think it's gonna be really legitimate. So thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to your own boy here. Let me know in the comments down below which earbud captured you, original nothing earbud or the Wekome earbud for the budget pricing. And it's really amazing. So peace.